Hey everyone, welcome to High School Dropout's Advice. Today we are talking about Unity technologies. If you are a gamer, you might have heard about Unity. They belong to the biggest, and Unreal Engine is one of their competitors. Even if you did not hear about them yet, you surely will in the near future. But first thing first, I will introduce you more to Unity technologies, then we talk about the fundamentals and what it means for us investors. Unity technologies IPO was last year in September and rallied nearly from 70 to 160 bucks and had a good correction to 107 at the time of the recording. It was founded in Denmark in 2004 and the company grew quite well and employs over 3,300 employees. The CEO, John Riccitiello, created one of the best culture within a company I know, having a 92% approval rating of his employees, and 88% of the employees would recommend their friend to work for Unity technologies. Before we go deeper, let me show you this. This most likely will not come as a surprise. Mobile games ad revenue grew 8% in 2020. With the pandemic going on, many are playing with their mobile phones, and stay-at-home orders is increasing the gaming industry. As you can see, games in high definition had a rise in 2020 because more and more people play video games at home. This is how gamesindustry.biz puts it. In terms of mobile genres, card games and trivia games had a significant ad revenue growth 2020, respectively 108.1% and 87.5%. You might ask me, is Unity technology a game developer? Let me show you this. So this will help you to explain what software they are offering. Unity CEO John Riccitiello said, "Now we believe we are in the early phase of a once in a generation technology transition. In this case, a world in which the majority of digital content is two-dimensional and moving to real-time 3D. So this means Unity technology is not just providing an engine and software for game developers, but also an engine for architects, engineers, designers, artists, photographers, and so much more. All the pictures we see on the internet are 99% in 2D. To change the way we take and see pictures in 3D is an entirely new way of presenting things. Let me show you this quick video. You might think this is a regular video of a car, but let me tell you that the Unity engine created the complete video in 3D. This is what they call real 3D, which is photorealistic. Even the material like the leather, wood and fabric look very real to me. Many car companies are already working with Unity. I can imagine that many designers are already working with this engine because it puts a 3D model in a photorealistic way without the cost and time to build one. This virtual reality helps developers and designers to accelerate their work, as you can see from Audi and Toyota's statement about Unity technologies. Let me show you a picture how it looks like before they put the material on the car, so you know that everything what you see is digital made. So Unity technology will not just be used for gaming, but becomes a new virtual reality engine where the pictures of the future will be created. Maybe it will be something like the Photoshop of the future. I'm quite happy to see that Unity Technologies is partnering up with more and more car makers. In my opinion, this industry turning 2D pictures into virtual reality is as big as the gaming one. But let's have a look at some of the numbers related to gaming. 5 billion downloads per month of apps built with Unity. 71% of the top 1000 games are built with Unity. Plus 50% of games across mobile, PC and consoles were also made with Unity, and so on and so on. We see that those are impressive numbers. We also see that nearly all platforms are able to use Unity software and engine. Let us talk about a big competitor to see how Unity is doing. A significant competitor is Unreal Engine from Epic Games, which also makes films, commercials and TV shows. The Mandalorian on Disney Plus is made by Unreal Engine. I think it's about Star Wars when Master Yoda is still a baby. I didn't watch it, but I saw the trailer. Anyways, on my source, experts are saying that Unity is better for consoles and mobile games, and Unreal Engine is better for strong gamer PCs with stronger hardware and graphic cards. It also says that Unreal Engine is better for big development teams, and Unity is easier for small teams and single developers. Developers would prefer Unity and visual artists would opt for Unreal Engine. So I think both have their spots. If you like my video so far, please subscribe because you don't want to miss any other exciting stocks and investment opportunity. Let us dive deeper into the fundamentals and see if this is an investment opportunity for us. The Q4 earning release was a couple of days ago, and we can see that they have a net loss of around 282 million, which is gigantic for a company that only generates 772 million. But there was a couple of costs, which is a one-time cost only. Let me show you this. There was a 47.8 million associated with the recognition of restricted stock unit expense in connection with our initial public offering, the IPO, as well as the charge of 63.3 million related to a donation of 750,000 shares of our common stocks to a charitable foundation after the closing of our IPO in our third quarter. So this is roughly 110 million less, but the company is still losing 160 million, but the projections for 2021 should be close to 1 billion in sales, which equals around a 30% growth year over year. At this moment, the company is trading around 35 to 45 times its projected profit from next year. In other words, this means if you decide to buy stocks of this company, it would only make sense when you have the patience to wait for the next couple of years and wait for the company to grow into it. I would only invest the money you don't need for the long term. If you invest in this company, it will be based on the growth's potential and not on its fundamentals, and it should be a long-term investment. In the short term, the stock price of this company can go in two directions, but in the long term, I see it's going up. So you need to think if this stock fits into your portfolio, your investment style and your money management ideas. What can be a buy for some might not be a buy for others. At this point, I have to say for legal reasons that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube. Do your own due diligence and remember that your money is your responsibility. So take my advice and research as entertainment value only. And please subscribe to my video if you enjoyed watching it. Please also share it with your loved ones and check out my other video on my channel. Many thanks. See you hopefully in the next video. Thank you. See you. Bye.